Naranasan mo bang balikan ang pinakaunang araw mo sa paaralan kung saan biglang naantig ka sa isang bagong subject o school event? O isang mataimtim na pag-uusap sa iyong magulang ukol sa gusto mong mangyari sa buhay? Para sa mabuhay buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. Life has this knack for keeping us moving, sometimes so quickly we lose sight of what got us started. Just as Jesus found something important in returning to where he first met his followers, there's a real value in us looking back too. Think about reaching out to those old friends who knew you way back when, before all the grown up stuff. Or maybe taking a walk to that special place in town where you spent your afternoons dreaming. Even just thinking about the values your school tried to teach you can be surprisingly helpful. These little things can be really powerful. They can remind you of what you're good at, bring back a passion you've forgotten, or help you see things more clearly when things feel confusing. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, ipagkaloob mo sa amin ang biyaya na mapagnilayan ang aming nakaraan upang malinawan kami sa iyong pagkabay sa aming buhay. Amen.